Use suggestions on xTool Apparel Printer. Remove a power cable. To cut off power only, unplug the power cable from the socket. To remove the power cable, unplug its connector from the socket and then that from the machine. Check ink level. After the first ink priming, check the ink level in case of insufficient ink. Too low ink level may affect the printing effect. To resolve it, start ink extraction. Close the ink clamps and tap the touch screen. After the ink is extracted, open the ink clamps. Monitor device working status. It is recommended that you monitor the device's working status during processing. Precautions on using the cutting blade. The cutting blade pops out once a task begins. Never open the side panel and reach into the interior during processing. The task cannot be stopped during cutting. Never open the lid and reach into the processing area. Take out the film. If the film is taken out improperly, powder may enter the printer and clog the nozzles. If the film is long and delivered to the shaker oven, open the magnetic cover and take the film out. If the film is short and does not reach the shaker oven, take out the film from inside the printer. Explanation of film length. For the same pattern, the length of the film required varies depending on whether the shaker oven is connected. If your printer is connected to shaker oven, each processing can consume at least 300 mm film. If you use printer only, the minimum required film length is plus 55 mm in front of the pattern length and plus 20 mm below. When shaker oven is connected, the minimum printing length of a single film is 300 mm. Therefore, if a pattern is not wide enough, there may be waste of the film. Test printing before processing. To ensure optimal processing results, print the test image every day before use to determine whether the printer is in good condition. Purify fumes produced during processing. Fumes are produced during processing using the shaker oven. To protect your health, it is recommended that you use xTool Safety Pro trademark AP2 to purify the air. To ensure optimal processing results, check whether the film covers the starting position before processing. After the first ink priming, there may be residual ink on the guide plates due to ink addition. If there is any, clean the ink in a timely manner. Ensure to perform a device self-check for proper film feeding when replacing the film roll, especially while the printer is connected to the shaker oven. Suggestion on refilling ink. When you refill the ink, pay attention to the ink level must not exceed the position as shown. Otherwise, ink may overflow from the ink tank once you close the tank. Suggestion on device long time standby. When you need to stop using the device for more than 5 days, it is recommended to fill with moisturizing liquid and empty the waste ink tank to prevent the waste ink level from exceeding the tank volume, which may cause the automatic maintenance function to fail. It is also recommended to check the moisturizing liquid tank and waste ink tank every week. Suggestions on disposing of glycerin. The shaker oven produces some glycerin during processing. To prevent glycerin from contaminating your environment, it is recommended that you prepare and place a container under the device's glycerin drip outlet.